Hey everybody, this is Brandon from Sparksmith, helping you see and be seen. Today I wanted to talk about our animated hood strips that we have on the website. These are something that are an extremely versatile product because they're so flexible, and they have the white startup animation that you just saw. They also have an amber sequential turn signal that runs down both sides, and being a waterproof flexible product like this means that you can apply it to a lot of different situations. So one thing that you may not know about these is that you can adjust a couple of different things. One, you can change the mode. So if you long press the minus button, it goes into a show mode, if you will, and then you long press again, it goes back to a static white. If you long press the plus button, you can see it lit up a small section here. Now you use, when it's in this mode, you can go plus or minus and you see it's moving this illuminated section around. And if you do minus, it's going to move it back this way. And what that's doing right now when you press minus, it's shortening the overall lighted length. So let's see, I move it, it was here, now it's up there. So that's now becomes the center point of the entire strip. So you long press on plus once you get it the length you want, and it's a little hard to tell with the camera, but you can see there, that's better, that now the lighted length is just from here to here, and all of this, if you had a really short application, you would use just this. You'd cut it off here, add some silicone, then it's the length that you need. It also, when you do that, it adjusts. You can see the sequential amber only runs to that same lighted length, so it doesn't light up the rest of it, and your midpoint is now up here. Now conversely, you can long press plus, and then if you have a different application, you can actually go, and then it essentially becomes kind of lopsided, but now the center point's over here, so you get a short section. Well, okay, that's a long section. And then you can see your short section is over here. Now, why would you need to do that? I don't know, but you can do it. So just another example of options for these hood strips is you can tune the lighted length to a fair degree of accuracy to whatever your application is. So still get that really cool startup animation and the amber sequential turn.